in case it changes direction. Hey, Rick. Oh, yes.
Rick, just stay there. Stay there. There's a tornado out here by Lucian right now. Over here, stay indoors. Alright.
You can't see? Oh, it's right there.
Oh, weather is an awesome thing to look at. Yeah. There it is. Hey Joe, welcome to Louisiana.
Yeah,
Y'all want to come see? Come on. Let me get that.
They got it on their devices.
The nasal structure.
Hey, see right there.
Hurry up. Hurry up, come see it. It's coming this way, look.
You know, I just want
It's right on top of it. It's right there. Yeah.
Alright.
No, but look. You get the double one right now from this side. Watch.
Yeah, look.
There's the form right there.
I feel like it'd be in the boat right now. Well, I've been in a lot worse than this.
This is the tornado. This is the tornado aftermath. February 7th, 2017, Michoud Assembly Facility. Hopefully everybody's okay. But it is real bad.